Afternoon. I hope you guys are getting a little rest. I wanted to make sure that I explain our lesson evaluation. This is from Sense Time and Moralized Lesson. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go out to the resources. And you're going to decide what grade band are you looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and pick an elementary school. And then I'm going to decide from there which assignment do I want to look at. So I'm going to look at Silo Falls. It gives you a nice summary of the lesson, as well as it has a curriculum PDF file on this side here. Most of them will have levels, level 1, 2, or 3, but not all of them. Then I'm going to go ahead and open up the template. And I'm just going to open up my sample that I've already filled out for you. And in this template, you are going to name the tribe closest to your school. So in my case, that would be the Cowlitz tribe. I'm going to identify the number, the level of the unit and which unit I'm using, which grade level. I'm going to look for differentiation strategies. Inside the lesson, how can I adapt for students that need it to be faster, slower, visual impairments, reading level, all the differentiation strategies that I should be looking at. How am I going to enrich this for students that need to go further and want to go further in their learning from this lesson? Below there, I'm going to select and highlight any of the research-based strategies that meet this lesson. And so I may go over here and look about dialogue over, and if I want to, I can just highlight it. If you want to check the box, all you have to do is click on the box, and you will go up to, let's see here, Insert, Special Character, and if you just draw a check mark, you now have a check mark. Either way, and I don't know if those are truly what they are in this case, but I can check them all if they apply. Then I'm going to do the standards alignment. And what's really nice is that it's already on the website. So all you do is click on the information and it outlines all of the standard alignment. And this is just kind of an exercise in, can I find it? Do I know where it is? For our purposes, environmental and sustainable education standards are the science standards in this case. Okay, and then we'll go back to the assignment here. Oh, the template. I'm going to ask you to add an arts piece into this. How can I incorporate art into this lesson to engage students? And to do that, I'm going to go out to OSPI's website. And I'm going to go by subject area. I'm going to pick the arts. And I can select learning standards. From here, I could pick which thread I want and read through the whole thing. But for me, I find this is much easier to use this on-level resource. I'm going to go over to the side where it says arts. I'm going to pick which art I want. So maybe I'm going to do visual art. And then I'm going to pick the grade band. So in this case, this was a 4th grade one. Then I have all of these different pieces, and I'm going to pick creating because I want them to create something. And now I have my standard, and I'm going to place that inside the standard alignment. And then I'm going to describe how I'm going to incorporate visual arts into this lesson. And when will I do it, and where will I do it? Over here, I'm going to add in modifications, or how would I add in the local tribe to this lesson to make it more relevant. So in this case, I have added a link. In the assessment strategies, how will you know your students have got this? What are you looking for? And explain that in here. And then for the classroom-based assessment connection, that's also very simple as it is placed right within the information. So in this case, there's 2 different ones. All I'm asking you to do is write them in there. I don't need you to explain them. I don't need anything else. This is the entire lesson evaluation. I have given you a sample so you can see how it's filled out. And it's due in 3 weeks. However, if you can get it done before then, awesome. Get it off your plate. Don't worry about it. I will formally be grading the assignments later. I've been checking on the discussion questions throughout our time and really hope to have those discussion questions completed each day. So please write down your questions. Feel free to put them in the chat because you know I'm on Zoom all day long checking that chat, or you can hold them until we have our afternoon check-in. Thank you. Have a good day.